Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete saved autofill form info for Samsung Internet on the Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. In here, tap on the menu key at the bottom, and then tap on Settings. In Settings, go down to the Privacy section, and then we're going to tap on Personal Browsing Data. Next, tap on Delete Browsing Data. Then deselect Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also deselect Cache Images and Files. Now we go down to the bottom and select the Autofill Forms checkbox. Then if you have an item, you can tap on Delete Data. Now because I have not saved any data for the Samsung Internet, so I cannot delete anything right now. It says that addresses, phone numbers, and credit or debit card data will be removed once you tap on the delete data. Now this doesn't include data that is saved in the Samsung Pass app. Samsung Pass is a separate app that is also give you the ability to store your saved usernames and passwords. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to the web page that you are viewing, or you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.